Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to remove phone number from Shopify. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to shopify.com using your user credentials. You'll have to simply take your mouse cursor at this small section and you will see a small pencil icon appearing. Here, click on this pencil icon and you will see edit profile page. Now, you will see your store name, your store email and your store phone number appearing. Simply remove this phone number from this section and you can add another phone number if you wish. Or if you want to just remove it, simply remove the pre-existing phone number by pressing backspace and type in zeros and click on save. After you click on save, you would have successfully removed your phone number from Shopify. So that is the simple way to remove phone number from Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.